What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, thank you for coming back. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you stay. If you like this video you're seeing, I would appreciate it if you hit the like, comment, and subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified so you can know when I am uploading new content here on YouTube. So it is Wednesday morning. It's 9:30 in the morning and I'm currently clocked in, but your girl is hungry. I'm trying to figure out what to eat. I don't know if I want like a sweet or savory kind of thing yet. I'm leaning towards avocado toast, honestly, but then I kind of want some oatmeal or some cream of wheat and a bowl of fruit. I'm not exactly sure, but today is going to be a day in the life of me in my boring life as I work from home today. And I'm also going to be trying to come up with some ideas and recreate myself. 2022, my goal is to have better health, healthier love, have healthier spirit, just a healthier and happier me. And a part of that goal is to see what other business ventures I can possibly get into. So while I'm working, I'm also going to be trying to figure out other ways to, well, work. So come along with me. I'm about to make some breakfast and then we'll get started. So I think today I'm going to get started with this, I guess it's a shot, I guess you want to call it. I found these in Walmart when I was shopping with my sister. It is a brand called So Good So You. As you can see, this is their energy passion fruit shot. It's a probiotic juice shot, and I heard a couple good things about it. It's supposed to be good. These are the ingredients. Seems like wholesome ingredients. I'm all for gut health on my healthy journey. So I got a few of these. These were not cheap though. They were like $4 a pop. And as you can see, it's barely 2 ounces in here. I'm going to take these for about a week and see how it makes me feel, if it makes any difference or whatever. They had different kinds. So this one, like I said, is the energy kind. They had an immune one. They had a detox one. They had one that was just called happy. So I struggle with energy, so that's why I decided to go for the energy one. I also got the immune one. That one was like a ginger turmeric one. So I will let you guys know how I feel about these in like a week. But yeah, I'm going to start my day off with this. So on this day, I decided to make some bacon, some eggs, and some avocado toast. I didn't know what I wanted at first, but I felt like savory was the way to go. So you will see me making my breakfast here as I am also trying to work on the clock. It's very hard to kind of do this stuff when you have to work and have emails and everything like that coming in. But that is what I decided to do. So let's get cooking.
is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. But I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Hey y'all, so it is Saturday morning. Not really doing much this morning. Your girl is tired. It's been a long work week. I do have some errands to run, honestly, but right now I don't feel like it. I need to go to Target, get some stuff for the household. I want to kind of go to IKEA because I'm looking for some bunk beds for my other bedroom. What else do I have to do? I have to go to CVS to pick up my medicine. And just, my house is not dirty, but I want to do some deep cleaning today. So I want to kind of get that done. But honestly, at the moment, it's looking like a never-ish kind of thing. I also got to go to the beauty supply store because my sister is going to be dyeing my hair like auburn or blonde. I'm not really sure which one yet, but I'm going to do one or the other. I wanted to see if my lash tech had some time today to do my lashes because I haven't had them done in a while. Actually, since Christmas time, I haven't had my lashes done. So I kind of want to see if she can fit me in. But if not, that's okay. Because your girl's not going anywhere anyway. But yeah, right now I'm going to sit here and watch Medea Homecoming for a little bit. Possibly make me some, I'm not really in the mood for breakfast, but I'll probably make me some lunch. I had went to the fish market yesterday, or last night with my mom, and I had got some breaded, well, already made up crab cakes. I got some crab sticks, and I got some stuffed shrimp. So that'll probably be my brunch, lunch situation. Maybe make some fries or some tater tots with it. And sit here, edit some vlogs, because I haven't really, I have footage and stuff for vlogs, but I haven't really had the time or energy to put them together. So I'm going to do that. I also have some business ventures I'm trying to look into. Your girl just got a lot to do today. So I'm going to just take you along with me. Hopefully I remember to pick up my phone. And stay tuned, guys. I will actually be getting a vlogging camera very soon. I'm just trying to figure out which one that I want. So if you have any ideas or some of your favorite vlogging cameras, please comment down below which one that you use. Help your girl out, because there's so many out there and I'm not really sure which one to use. I'm kind of new to this and I'm kind of sick of using my phone. My phone's not really good quality, so I want to bring you guys better quality for better content. So yeah, help your girl out. Comment down below which vlogging camera you like or you currently use. And yeah.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands.
I gotta see what this is. I don't know how to work it. Look at this. I love it. You want to get me something for my birthday? Say hi, sissy. I like a mess. I like this. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, wait, no, I like this. Look how hard that is. That is hard.
How much is this set? Yep, it's $1,400. What did you
Listen, my thighs won't even fit in that little chair.
Thank you. Pull out a stool.
Who's sitting at the table? That's the thing.
Yeah, this is just dining room set.
You saw that? Yeah, but this was like boom.
thing. Babe, I wanna be your rock. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna